Where's what going? Here, watch. This is how you do this lure, okay? Go like this, real quick. Boom, boom.
No.
See, the fish just bit at it right there. A fish bit at it right when Daddy did that. See? Look, look. Real, 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 real. Real, 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 real. Real, 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 real. Look how big that one is. Okay, hold on. You have to hold the pole. Hold on. That's a nice, good job.
So big.
Here, hold your Spiderman pole. Hold your Spiderman pole. Look, I want to show everybody. Look. Look at it.
Whoa.
Okay, now we gotta hurry up and get this out of there. Don't pull on it.
Those are squeezes.
Yep.
And that hurts on him.
No. Here, stand right there. I want to see how big this fish is compared to you. Not bad, kiddo. Not bad. Alright, so this video, my son and I were using this one here, Topwater popper. This is it cost $2. This is a Shopco one. It's got some, you know, it's some defects. The clear coat's a little chipped out there and stuff. But as you can see from the video, it catches fish just fine. This is another $2 Topwater popper. And it's in a little bit better shape. We didn't use this one. We were using this one here. So, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Keep a lookout for more videos. Thank you all. Tight lines.